Hello guys, want this A-like shake on Capcut? Follow my steps, import your clips and cut them to the beat. Now add swing right duration 0.4. Go to transitions and add right duration 0.4. Add oblique blur. Its length should be from the middle of the clips to the end of the transition. Blur 75, rotate 50. Also guys, remember to add these steps to all the clips. You want to have the shake, place a copy on top of it. Add oblique blur again and make it small. Blur 0, rotate 50. Place a copy on top of it. Now you have some great shakes, but wouldn't you want an A-like or a CC, which the biggest editors are using? I have explained it here.